Good morning, friends, and a very warm welcome to BSc third year students in their fifth and last semester. This will be your last semester of your UG or BSc degree. Last year, when you were in second year, there were two theory papers and two practical papers. This year also, the same pattern follows. You will have two theory papers and two practical papers. The two practical papers will be in consent of the two theory papers. The first theory paper is ecology, paper number 15, which is a compulsory paper for everyone. The next paper is a special paper or a special subject, paper 16D, parasitic protozoa and helminths 1. This is your specialization subject. Last year, there was fishery science as a special subject, but from now onwards, there will be parasitic protozoa paper as a special subject. The reason for this is students can score more marks in this paper, in parasitic protozoa paper, as notes are easily available in market, in department, in library. So these are the papers of theory. The first one is ecology and the second one is parasitic protozoa. You can clearly go through the syllabus. If we concern our first paper, ecology, so ecology deals with the interactions interactions of the organism with its environment and other organisms. It's a correlation of organisms and its environment. The second paper is parasitic protozoa. There you can see the study of parasites, relationship between the parasite and its host. A detailed study of parasites which are fatal to human beings will be studied. Structure of parasites, its life cycle, its preventive and control measures, all will be studied in very detail. These are your two practical papers. Paper number 17, which is based on ecology practical. Paper number 18D, based on theory paper, parasitic protozoa and helminths. Well, these are the syllabi of practical papers. In ecology, there are estimation of water parameters, estimation of soil parameters like pH, alkalinity, chlorinity, salinity, and so on. There will be also a permanent slide preparation, which is very compulsory for everyone. And also, there is a project report on forest or freshwater ecosystem, which you have to submit to the college during examination. In parasitic protozoa, there will be museum study or study of museum specimens. Also, there will be a smear preparation of blood from the blood of rat or fish, whichever is available to us. Next, there will be dissection of fish and frog. Friends, our next lecture will be on classification of kingdoms, which is a very important topic. All these topics from now onwards, all these topic which I am going to teach, they are all available on the YouTube channel. The name of my YouTube channel is Zooklan. You can visit there anytime and you can listen to the lectures. Thank you very much.